We're going to dive straight into Google Sheets. I'm going to label it January Budget Summary, just doing a little bit of formatting there. Next, we're going to add the columns Category, Budgeted, Actual, Difference, and Notes. You can create whatever categories you want. These are just some suggested ones. I like to add a total row at the bottom and then go ahead and enter the amounts you've allocated for each category. Now we're going to calculate the difference, which is simply your budgeted amount minus your actual spending. Drag that formula down, and it will automatically populate the other cells. Then use the sum function to add up the totals for the budgeted column, the actual column, and the difference column. I like to format it a little. Give the bottom row a border, change the line thickness, maybe adjust the colors. You can customize this however you want. I also like putting a border around the top table to make it look tidy. Now we're going to set up conditional formatting. Right-click, choose View More Cell Actions, then Conditional Formatting. Apply it to the range you're using. If the value is greater than or equal to 0, make it green. Apply it to the whole range, hit Enter. Add another rule for the same range. If the value is less than 0, make it red. Done. This will instantly show which categories are over or under budget. Next, I'm going to add your monthly income over on the side, along with a summary that shows your total budgeted, total actual, and total difference. Again, the difference is budgeted minus actual. In this example, we've gone over budget by $150. I'm going to apply the same conditional formatting here, green if it's greater than or equal to 0, red if it's less than 0. Put a box around it, tidy it up, same with the monthly income box. Now let's add the savings rate. This one's fun. It's your monthly income minus your total actual spent, divided by your monthly income. So hit the percentage button to turn it into 15%. Format the decimals, clean it up, and give it a highlight color. I like to call this shade Money Gold. Okay, now we're going to make the graphs. Highlight. Category, Budgeted, and Actual. Go to Insert, then Chart, and tidy it up a bit. For the next graph, highlight Category and Actual. Hold down Command or Control to select the columns. Insert a chart again, and this time change it to a pie chart. It's just easier to see visually. Rename it Where Your Money Went, and adjust the colors of the slices to whatever you like by clicking them. Now rename the sheet to January, then duplicate it, rename it February, update the text inside, and change the numbers. Repeat this process for every month, all the way through to December. Don't forget to name the spreadsheet, and there you have it. A beginner-friendly, easy-to-use monthly budget sheet with clean graphs that make your spending crystal clear. Hit subscribe. Stickonomics. Finance drawn simply.